What's up, mechanics? If you're not a mechanic, you know what to do. Hit subscribe right now. I'm gonna pause the video for you. I went to 3 Whole Foods just to find this vegan sausage. Finally got it. 3 stores later. I'm sorry if my hands are a little goddamn shaky too. Yeah, like, so you're gonna get a chance to see a non-vegan eat it, you're gonna see children eat it, and you're gonna see me eat it. And you'll be able to determine whether you should buy it yourself. This is all I'm gonna say. This is my only spoiler. The next time I go, I'm gonna probably buy all of them. So I guess that kinda gives it away. I'm sorry. Just tell me what you think about it, for real.
Game changer.
Oh my God! Wow! Honestly.
They're taking all my excuses away not to eat meat right now. Like, it's really good. Really fucking good.
Hold on, I'm gonna throw one of this burger. Like, I'm gonna throw that last burger. I'm gonna throw it on a bun real fast. I only got hamburger, hot dog bun, so you gotta bear with me.
Right.
2 hours later.
Alright, now he's about to try the Beyond Burger in a hot dog bun. So.
Alright, I still got. I ain't gonna say sausage in my mouth, but sausage in my mouth. This is my first time trying this too. You've been talking about this forever.
Now, that was some vegan cheese and all hooked up. What do you think about that? That's
really good.
Supposed to be beef. Yeah.
Look at my face, like.
Oh my God! I told you don't need that crap, man. They got everything you need. Beyond is the shit, bro.
It's really, really good. Like, I want this shit in my freezer now.
Alright, man.
I can't believe it.
Look, say it one time for me. Eat grass, nut ass.
Eat grass, nut ass.
Say what's up, mechanics.
What's up, mechanics?
Alright, so they got the Beyond sausage. They're about to try it for the first time. Go ahead, guys. Give it a shot.
Oh yeah, when I get my channel, get that a lot of likes.
What you think, DJ?
The best thing I ever ate.
What about you, Donnie? It's a real sausage, Donnie. I was just joking with you. That's why I'm not eating it. I wanted to see. The name of this video is see if your kids are phony or not. That's a real sausage. So what do you think?
Was it good?
Kinda good. Would you eat it again?
I could.
This
is real?
No, it's vegan. I was just messing with Donnie. Look at this. I got this vegan Beyond Meat sausage. I'm going in for my first taste test. I cooked it on the grill, as you may have seen in the video. Sorry my kids were kind of boring, but I just thought I'd throw them in there anyway. But let's see.
Oh my God!
Nah, son. They playing games with me. I don't know what my kids was talking about. Like this gotta be an April Fool's joke. This is too good. Like, too good.
Bruh.
The texture is on point. The flavor's on point. Definitely throw it on the grill. Matter of fact, let me grab one that I didn't put on the grill. I pan fried some, as you've seen. Okay, if you're not subscribed, subscribe right now. So, I grabbed the one that was not from the grill. I hope this light doesn't suck too bad. If it does, I'm sorry. But I had to let you guys know what the deal was. I put a little spicy mustard on mine. A little ketchup. Let's see what we got. Now, pan fried is good. This one is good, don't get me wrong. Yeah, it's alright. But this is gonna be your winner on the grill all 2018. I'm trying to tell you. Yo. This one just tastes kind of like a hot dog that you throw on the pan and like let it pan fry for a little. I can eat this all day long. Beyond Meat, thank you for making vegan that much easier. Do you know how many people I will be able to transition off of these sausages? It's gluten-free, by the way. The bread isn't, of course, but the hot dog or the sausage itself is gluten-free. Shout out to Beyond Meat. I love you guys. Keep doing what you're doing. I'm gonna have to check my pants. That was good. That was so good. Like, no joke. Like, I know I said a lot of stuff on my channel is good, but this is literally the most mind-blowing, epic vegan food that I had so far. Like, the most mind-blowing. Number one, top 5, number one. Number 2 will probably be their patties. Yo, that is crazy bananas good. I'm gonna wrap it up. Eat grass, not ass. Little bag of mother. Like, subscribe, share this to 100 friends. Let's get this video to 100 likes within 1 week.